Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices. Make sure your Apple TV runs tvOS 17 or later, and your iPhone or iPad runs iOS 17 or later. Sign into iCloud and FaceTime with the Apple ID you want to use. Once done, confirm both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and enable Bluetooth for pairing convenience. Open Settings on Apple TV and note the AirPlay and home screen options. These initial steps let you link accounts and allow the FaceTime app to appear and function properly. Next, open the FaceTime app on Apple TV and choose to start a new call or pick a recent contact. You control video from your iPhone. On the iPhone, swipe to Control Center and choose the camera or SharePlay camera transfer to send live video to Apple TV, or accept Apple TV's prompt to use your device as the camera. Make sure Apple TV has microphone and camera permissions enabled in Settings. This avoids muted audio or black video, and adjust framing to fit your TV. To finish, use the Siri remote and on-screen control or your iPhone to mute, switch cameras, or end the FaceTime call. You control layout and audio routing in real time. If video or audio stutters, restart both devices, verify strong Wi-Fi, and sign out, then back into FaceTime. Once done, try a test call to a different contact. If problems persist, update tvOS and iOS or reset network settings. This usually resolves permission or handshake issues between Apple TV and your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.